My Korean bestie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. 안녕하세요. I'm Nikoshi, a K-influencer from Sri Lanka, and this is my YouTube channel where I create content about everything about our beloved Korea. So as for our first mission of May in the K-Influencer Academy 2024, the topic is Math of Korea, which means taste, feel, pleasure of Korea. In this video, I want to share my experience of trying authentic Korean fried chicken for the first time in Incheon, Korea. My Korean bestie. We are at the BHC, which stands for Better and Happier Choice Restaurant in Incheon, which is one of the most famous Korean brand for Korean fried chicken. Let's go inside and check out this restaurant together. It has a nice colorful vibe with a tasty Korean fried chicken smell in this restaurant. 안녕하세요. 네. While we were waiting for our food, we were having a talk with each other, and I was so happy to meet a lot of friends from all around the world who loves Korea just like me in Korea. Yay, we finally got our food, which is one of the most famous food of Korea, Korean fried chicken. Everyone was enjoying their food so happily. No wonder this is the better and happier choice. This is so good. I first tried these Korean French fries, which had a glossier outside and it was crunchy and soft inside, with also the sweetness and saltiness, which was quite unexpected, but it was so good. Then I tried some fish cake from tteokbokki, which is Korean spicy rice cakes. I love tteokbokki, but I never had Korean fish cake before, but it was so good that I expected it to be. I also tried these Korean cheese balls, which was also another new experience for me. It was filled with mozzarella cheese inside, with a soft inside and crispier outside. I didn't expect it to be sweet, but it was quite sweet and very hot. Also, the sweetness goes well with the cheese flavor in it. I couldn't stop eating this and it was so good. As you can see, it also had a great cheese pull. While trying this food, I got the math of Korea so much with the taste and feeling of Korean culture and the pleasure of trying this amazing Korean food. I loved the cheese bowl. Since it was so long, I gave up in the middle and it was so funny, and anyway, it was so good.
I think you've broken a world record for the longest
Cheese bowl. I remember seeing the staff dinners in K-dramas like this. It was so nice to feel this in real life. I love how everything is like spicy but also sweet at the same time.
Yeah.
So let's try the Korean fried chicken in Korea. It looks a bit spicy. Let me try it. Oh, it's spicy but also very sweet. The sweetness goes well with the spiciness, and it was hot and the flavors were burst in my mouth and I loved it so much. I can say that this is the best Korean fried chicken I ever had. If you ever visit South Korea, just try the BHC fried chicken. It is so good and you'll love it. So, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon down below so you won't miss any of the upcoming uploads from my YouTube channel. Like, share and comment. See you soon. 감사합니다. 사랑해. 안녕.